Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here let's scroll down in order to find security. Now let's scroll down to tap on more security settings and tap on encryption and credentials. As you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.